You hate guns, but you depend on door locks and seatbelts like a sissy. As I digest this coffee here, I got a comment on someone calling me an NRA dick rider on the Parkway shooting video. And I replied with that comment, something like that, where, you know, like a bitch boy, you depend on door locks and seatbelts, or you don't need guns like you don't need seatbelts and door locks, some shit like that. And the reply was simply, "Nice bait, cunt." And I thought, you know, that's not a rebuttal. And I'm not going to stress out over it and be like, oh, go and protest. We need to save our Second Amendment and it needs my guns. Because I think it's as simple as this, as simple as me going on with my plans of the day and just expressing my opinion. As I wait for this coffee to kick in. You know, in theory, when I go to sleep tonight, I should be able to lay in bed. If I want to just count my money out, lay it on the dresser next to me with my prized possessions on the nightstand next to me, and go to sleep and wake up and be like, oh look, there's my prized possessions again. But no. In theory, you check that the doors are locked, double locked, dead bolted, the alarm system's on, the windows are closed and locked, other hatches are secured. If there's any other breaches, look around, check the guard dogs, look out the window, see if there's anything suspicious, anyone hanging out suspiciously. And as I lay in bed, still be aware if I hear a break-in through a door or a window, and or if other people are getting their fucking shit smashed in. But you know, people will say, no man, well, you know, sorry for you if you live in a bad neighborhood like that. I think you may be out of touch if you think that crime is only available, only happens in a certain zip code, or to a certain race, or to a certain gender. If anything, I think that it's the Amish and the fucking Mormons that, with their segregated ways, that they have probably, I think, the least amount, not the least amount, but less crime compared to the average American landscape. But and if you think that I'm wrong, No, you can go down any street and just be cool about it, and anything's gonna happen to you. Hey, you want to go for a ride down Watts or Compton? I'm gonna stay in the car. You could walk. I'll pace you so when your feet need a break. No, not to get picked up. When your feet need a break, no, I'll be there. Or if you get shot, don't worry. I'll drive you to the hospital. And someone mugs you, don't worry. I'm not gonna. I mean, not mugs you. Says hello to you at midnight. You know, hey, come here. Let me talk with you. And I believe it's important to share this, especially with the younger motherfuckers. You know, there are people out there that don't want you to succeed, are jealous of you, want your stuff. They don't want to work for it. They want to take your shit. And they're plotting to take your stuff. No, I'm not talking about half the population. I couldn't give you an exact amount. 1, 2, or 10%, something like that. They're out there, and you know, in theory, you're supposed to get in a car and head to your destination, and arrive there with your car intact, not a scratch on it. Or on a motorcycle or a moped or anything. But people wear helmets, there are airbags and seatbelts, rollover technology. What Audi has that infrared braking system on there. Honda has a stopping mechanism. Why? Because there are dumbasses out there. Reckless motherfuckers. People that don't give a fuck. Traffic jam. Shit happens. And when you make the people that are squares, people that are minding their own business, when you disarm them, when you tell them, hey, you don't have to worry about breaking in here. I'm thinking, what if I knew that the house I'm gonna burglarize, or someone go in there and fucking kill, maim, behead, or rape? If all I knew that they had was maybe a kitchen knife, and since guns would be bad, I would have the edge. Right? I have the firearm. I just would need to keep my distance because all they have is a stick or a knife. Well, let them call 911. Just get a cell phone jammer. So what? And there's some people that think, oh, dude, you just fucking think you're real twisted, man, because you weren't loved as a kid. Again, I've traveled from Tijuana to Vancouver, Canada, Venice Beach to Houston, Texas, and a lot of it on foot. I've gone into such beautiful cities as Oakland, Detroit, Baltimore, Compton, all over San Diego, the beautiful parts of San Antonio, and dude, I've seen places where drug dealers and hoes are slanging ass and crack, fucking meth out in the open, not giving a fuck. What's up, dog? What you need? No one's gonna call the cops on them, you fucking idiot. But those places exist, man. And I'll tell you what sort of out of touch fucking pussified little pansy are you to hate guns? I think if you've never used a firearm to save a life like I have, more than once, save my own life and save other people's lives. On more than one occasion. If you haven't done that, I think you just shut the fuck up. Put on your fucking G-string, bend over and, you know, send me a nice little pic of that fucking sweet ass of your fucking little tight ass. Or maybe loose. Probably wouldn't stand up and fight for it. Let some motherfucker take your shit. And we sound super aggressive about this, but no, man, there's bad people out there, man. If you think that the world is full of fairy dust, cotton candy, nothing's gonna happen to you, stop using seatbelts. Don't lock your doors. Don't double lock it. Don't buy earthquake insurance, flood insurance, fire insurance, theft insurance. None of that. You're gonna be fine and dandy forever. Shit, don't even get health insurance. They'll get nothing. None of that shit. Let's look at the MC Escher work. Thinking my brain could subconsciously interpret that. Again, this video is dedicated to all those little snowflakes, out of touch pansies. That need their little wah-wah, their safe spaces, their trigger warnings, their participation trophies.